Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota Tacoma interior lights. First, gather your tools: a plastic pry tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new LED bulbs. Safety is key, so disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before starting. This prevents any electrical shorts or damage during the process. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother and quicker. Let's get those old bulbs out. Now, let's tackle the map and dome lights. Begin by using your plastic pry tool to carefully unclip the clear lens cover. Once the cover is off, you'll see the old incandescent bulb. Gently pull it straight out of its socket. When inserting your new LED bulb, make sure to observe its polarity. If it doesn't light up, simply flip it 180 degrees and reinsert it. It's a simple fix. Moving on to the vanity and door lights. For the vanity lights, use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the light housing. The old bulb can then be easily removed and replaced with your new LED. For the door lights, you'll need to pry out the entire light assembly from its slot. Once the assembly is out, you can access and swap the bulb. Remember to be gentle to avoid scratching any surfaces. After replacing all the bulbs, it's time to reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Turn on your Tacoma and test all the new interior lights to ensure they are working correctly. Finally, securely snap all the lens covers and light assemblies back into place. You've successfully upgraded your Tacoma's interior lighting. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.